May we please call on Professor Manny? Winner of the male Blue Master 36 Ultra Heavy Division, gold medal goes to Richard Camacho from Pico Bonsai Jiu-Jitsu. Congratulations. Please report to the podium for awarding. Thank you. Winners of the male Blue Master 41 Light Division, gold medal goes to Song Kyun Tae from DefTac. Silver medal goes to Melvin Diankit from Gentle Warrior Jiu-Jitsu. Congratulations. Please proceed to the podium for awarding. And for the male Brown Master 41 Light Division, gold medal goes to John Nadamba from Baguio Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and silver medal goes to Hiroki Nishikata from Olga Tocho Chiyoda. Congratulations, please report to the podium for awarding. Thank you.
Melania Ryan Jr. I repeat, Melania Ryan Jr. from Project Lifestyle Manila. Please proceed to Matthew.
Bienvenido González, DefTac 6 days, and Gerald Cazul, DefTac 6 days. Please proceed to mat number 2. Also nodding. Denzel Enrique, DefTac 6 days. Ronnie Acosta from DefTac 6 days. Please proceed to mat number 2. Arcado Ronald from Over Limit. Please proceed to mat number 2. Bienvenido González, Josue Dela.
Oh, Master!
Rami Mendoza, Arcado Ronald, Kylo Roberts, and Nigel Lado. Please proceed to mat number 2.
Laquan from Alliance Jiu-Jitsu. Bronze medal goes to Linda Pendolin from Forge Jiu-Jitsu, and bronze medal goes to Jason Doria from Project Lifestyle Manila. Congratulations! Please proceed to the podium for awarding. And for the male light adult 18 medal division, gold medal goes to Thomas Holt Jr. from Atos. Silver medal goes to Ryan Boyd Arias from Project Lifestyle Manila. Bronze medal goes to Julio Cagas from DefTac. And bronze medal goes to Ryan Correa from Over Limit Jiu-Jitsu. Congratulations! You may now proceed to the podium for awarding. Thank you.
Clavecillas May of DefTac 6 Blades, please proceed to mat 1. Clavecillas May, DefTac 6 Blades, please proceed to mat 1. Cruz Rainier of Checkmat Philippines, Ozaki Kazuma of Overlimit Jiu-Jitsu Cebu, please proceed to mat 3. Cruz Rainier, Ozaki Kazuma, mat 3.